Hey guys, it's Roscoe on the Space Crash site. Another item from the 1990s air show was this British Airways 747. I believe it's the 400, yes. And a fiver. That's how long ago this was. Was this 100 years of flight they were celebrating? Oh, going to 100 years of flight. That would have been 2003. Maybe it's 2003, I'm sure it was earlier, but who knows. So, yes, and as you can see, the space shuttle and the Wright Flyer. Let's just see on the back. I assume from this to this. Let's just see what it says. 100 years of flight. Since the dawn of time, man has desired to fly. The showcase collection by Corgi chronicles the groundbreaking achievements of the planes and pilots who have forged a history and identity in global air and space travel. From the initial flight at Kitty Hawk to modern-day space shuttle missions, these 20 models represent the history of air travel through 100 years of flight. Collect them all! So there's the Wright Flyer, the Spirit St. Louis, the Blériot monoplane, the Lockheed Vega, Sopwith Camel No. 3 wing, RNAS, the Fokker DR-1 Jasta 5, P-51D Mustang, and the Supermarine Spitfire. Now, for other planes, there's the DC-3 of American Airlines, Boeing Clipper of Pan Am, the 747-200 of Pan Am, and the Concorde of BA. And then F-14 Tomcat, an F-16, a Harrier, and a Phantom F-4. And then in the space race, the Lunar Module Eagle, the Apollo Command Module for Apollo 11, the Space Shuttle Columbia, and the X-15. So, that is some of the more specialised ones I have, but I chose the 747 because I love the 747. Flown it on 3 airlines I can remember, and I think it was just the 3 airlines. Oh, and there's a stand in the back, still sellotaped. So let's just pop this out. I'm going to pop this back in its box after. It will come out. I think the blue's a little bit too low. Don't you think? Slight misapplication of the paintwork. And it's a little bit off over the door. But, you know, the proportions are absolutely right. It doesn't, you know, you get some of these and it looks just ridiculous from the front. Nothing like a 747 at all. Well, this is certainly in good nick. Yeah, very nice indeed. The winglets. I wonder why BA never painted its winglets blue. I mean, they might be doing it on the current ones, I'm not sure. But back then, nope. It's actually quite interesting because it's almost all white fuselage. So yeah, slight paint misapplication there. And that is a bit of a big cargo door, a bit close to the passenger cabin. Yeah. What's that mark there? Oh, it's just the detailing because that's where the wheels would be. There you just see the underneath. Very nice. Oh, there's a slight flaw in, or there's like a kink in the fuselage there. Let's bring that a bit closer for you. You can see the focus right here. Yeah. Finding this out 20 years later, or however long ago it was. Can't do much about it now. And there you just see it from the back. So yeah, nice little plane. For a fiver, I can't complain, I suppose. Yeah, it's fine. But yeah, I like that. It's very, very nice. So there you go, guys. That is just one of the little things that I got from the air show back in the day. A BA 747-400 with a really great paint job. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment or suggestion for a common topic you'd like to see discussed. Or like the video.